Hey, how you doing?
I'm alright, how are you? It's not allowed here to take photos or videos, okay? You need the permission from the administration about that.
So it's not allowed to take photos or videos here?
Inside, no.
Wait, who do I need permission from?
Administration.
From administration? Yeah, I don't think that's the case.
What do you mean?
I don't think that's the case. Like, I don't think that's true.
So you're saying that I'm lying to you?
No, I'm not saying you're lying to me. I think you're just misinformed. I'm not gonna do that, unfortunately.
Okay, I have to call to the police then.
But
Is
why
it
would
right for you?
Why would you call the police?
Because I told you that you have to follow the rule. If you are not following, then I have to call to the cops.
I mean, you could do whatever you feel is right. I'm not gonna stop you. I can't stop you actually,
No,
but what I'm saying is that I definitely have a right to be here, and I definitely have a right to film. This is a public library, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It is.
Just making sure.
Sure. Okay.
All right. So you do. You know, it's up to you. You don't have to do that.
No, I have to do it. I'm watching this.
Sir.
Hey, how you doing, officers?
Good. Not bad.
Can I get your names and badge numbers?
Sure, can I have your ID, please?
No, you can't.
Excuse me.
Have you not heard that before?
I've heard it plenty of times. It's just I'm surprised because, well, my name and my badge number is right here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you see it?
Tibbets?
Yep,
I keep,
640.
the pen is blocking the number.
Oh.
640?
Yep.
And Dennis, 647?
So I was told that you were asked to leave.
Okay, so would you like to know...
Is that correct?
Would you like to know what I'm doing here, sir?
Were you asked to leave?
Sir, would you like to know what I'm doing
I'd
here?
like to answer my question.
Sir, this is a public library.
Okay,
I see where this is going.
I want you to answer my question. Were you asked to leave?
I see where this is going.
Were you asked to leave?
I see where this is going.
Security asked you to leave, and the employees asked you to leave, sir.
No.
Were you
I
asked
was
to
not.
leave?
Would you like him to leave, sir? Okay.
So security. So let me explain just so you let me just explain really quick so you guys can understand. So what I'm doing here is a First Amendment protected activity.
That's good.
I'm recording. I know you don't care, sir, but listen, if you violate that in any way and interfere with that,
I'm not violating it. They asked you to leave.
Yeah, but they can't ask me to leave. This is a public library. Can I speak to a supervisor, please?
Do you guys have an administrator here?
This is a public library. My tax dollars goes to fund this, sir.
Is there a thing?
Hey, Dennis, can I please speak to a supervisor? I would appreciate that.
Yeah, there are.
Where is that at? Can I see it?
Okay, I'll try.
Can I speak to a supervisor?
Because I do not have it right now, but
Okay. I just want to be clear. If he's violating a policy here,
Yeah, there was also a
I'm
policy. There was also a
talking
policy
about-
against black people entering in businesses. Doesn't mean it's right. This is a First Amendment protected activity.
he's not allowed to be here because he's violating that.
Oh, you guys got body cameras. Great.
He needs to leave.
It's a rule because people here they are working and they
In public.
So
In public.
yes, it's a problem.
Supervisor. Maybe a supervisor will be better.
Supervisor, you got 4 cops here. Relax.
But I'm asking you for a
You don't need
supervisor.
one. You don't need one. You don't need one.
Okay.
Right now.
I'm engaging in a First Amendment protected activity.
Fine, you can do whatever you want.
Okay.
We'll just figure it out.
I'm gathering content for a story.
Perfect.
I have freedom of press. This is public building, and I'm allowed to be here, and I'm allowed to record. Regardless of what their policy says, policy does not trump law. So unless I'm breaking the law, I can't be trespassed from a public building.
You absolutely can be trespassed from public.
Did you get permission when you post that video of these people?
Don't need it. They're in
You don't
public.
need it?
Yeah, they're in public. Now you got
You
a new.
cannot leave because you broke a policy here. I'm just saying, and now we need to find out
Are
who
you
you are.
law enforcement or policy enforcement?
Well, you keep saying policy. Would you like to say
You just
law?
said policy.
Okay.
That's not a law. Does it have a CR code next to it or
They asked you to
something?
leave.
And you didn't, so now we're here. So now we have to find out who you are so you don't come back again, so we know that.
That's not gonna happen here. Sorry, not gonna happen. Policy enforcement. Interesting. Okay.
Especially here with the rules that we say.
Ooh,
Policy.
the policy, the rules,
Right?
policy. Got it. That's interesting. You guys got
It's
a
not
you
interesting,
guys got
it's
a
just
weird
the way it is.
you guys got a weird way of thinking.
No, it's just the way it is.
Okay.
You are not in control.
How many times?
here.
Let me
We are
ask you.
now.
Let me ask you a question. How many times have you been called to the library for somebody filming?
I don't even know. I
Never,
because
right?
No,
But
no,
can-
no.
can I-
We've been here called here all the time with
Okay.
people making disturbances and things like that. And,
Yeah, I'm
and
not
the
making a
policy and the things that we
disturbance.
do, we have to find out who you are.
I'm not making
because
a
if you come
disturbance.
back,
I'm not making a disturbance. sir.
yes, you are. You're filming right now. You are filming people. That right here is a disturbance.
Clearly there was a disturbance.
Yes.
They
Great.
felt it was necessary to have us come here and
If you
deal
didn't want to leave,
Okay.
then they call us. Now we're in charge, and so we're going to have to find out who you are. And if you don't want to give up the ID, well, then unfortunately you're breaking a law.
Yeah.
It's called, yeah.
Okay.
You know what that law is?
Clown. That's what you are. When can I get out of here?
as soon as I get a read back.
A read back for what?
You're on.
You told
Confirm that you're.
that I don't have any warrants.
Confirm that your name.
Do you?
You're gonna find out.
Checking.
Don't. Sorry. Sorry, you're not gonna get it. And guess what? Once I complain and they read you guys the right act, I'm gonna come back to this very library and film again.
Here you go.
Cool.
Great.
Have a nice day.
Get out.
Where's my trespass? Where's my trespass warning?
They'll send it to you in the mail. Take care.
Take care, Officer Bozo.
You gotta go. Get off the property.
You can absolutely film the outside of the building from a public street if you want. Watch yourself, dude.
If you didn't have that badge and you touched me? If you didn't have that badge and you touched me?
What is that? What are you trying to say?
Don't touch me.
What are you trying to say?
Because if you
What are
didn't
you trying to
have,
say?
you touched me.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to
You're
leave.
trying to
Just
leave.
go. Just go.
I'm trying to leave.
Just go, 'cause it's not good for you.
It's not good for me. It's not good for you.
Get lost.
I'm going.
Go.
I'm going.
Bye.
I'm going.